Convicted on trumped-up charges in a court the world doesn't recognise, now facing the death penalty. Shaun Pinner and Aiden Aslin's treatment is causing outrage among international law experts.
I think they've been treated in an appalling and probably, I'd go so far as to say, criminal manner, and a manner that clearly is completely against the rules of war, Geneva Convention, and the sort of fairness that we'd hope and expect combatants to be treated.
Ukraine has also put prisoners on trial for war crimes. A tank commander who shot a civilian in cold blood and soldiers who fired rockets into residential areas. It set a precedent Russia has now followed, but also given Ukraine pawns it could swap with Pinner and Aslin if they want to. But Russia may be after this man instead. Pro-Russian Ukrainian oligarch Viktor Medvedchuk has publicly asked to be exchanged with the two British men and is a personal friend of Vladimir Putin's. It's thought Britain may be privately trying to negotiate a prisoner swap for the two condemned Britons, while publicly expressing outrage. The Foreign Secretary Liz Truss tweeting, "I utterly condemn the sentencing of Aiden Aslin and Shaun Pinner, held by Russian proxies in eastern Ukraine. They are prisoners of war. This is a sham judgment with absolutely no legitimacy." But war crimes experts say the UK should also threaten to prosecute those imposing today's sentence in the International Criminal Court.
That anyone involved in the alleged trial process and in any alleged execution could himself or herself be brought to trial by the ICC, because that would be, if it's an unlawful killing of a combat, that could very easily be a war crime, and those people, once identified, could be put on trial. And this may be a circumstances where the Foreign Office should go in fighting.
For now, though, Shaun Pinner and Aiden Aslin have a month to appeal. If that fails, they could face death by firing squad. Dominic Waghorn, Sky News.